Picture this. You're at a fancy cafe. You step up to order and you confidently ask for an espresso. The barista gives you a little smirk. We've all been there.
That feeling is the worst. That tiny moment of doubt where you think, wait, did I just say that wrong? It can totally throw you off your game.
Exactly, Eve. Well, today we're ending that feeling for good. Welcome to 10 Words Almost Everyone Says Wrong, the podcast that turns pronunciation panic into phonetic power. I'm Jackson.
And I'm Eve. I'm ready to be the student today. Let's do this.
All right, let's kick off with a quick warm-up quiz. Eve, I'll spell a word, you tell me how you'd say it. First up, Jewelry.
Okay, I think I'd say jewelry. 3 syllables.
A very common answer, but we'll find out the correct way soon. Next one, Libray.
Oh, this one gets me. I'd probably say library.
Perfect. You've highlighted 2 of our 10 words today. Let's dive into the list, starting with the basics. Word number 1, which we opened the show with, espresso. Slow model, espresso. Normal speed, espresso. Now you try.
So there's no X sound at all. It's an S. Espresso. Got it.
Precisely. Word number 2 from our quiz, jewelry. Jewelry. Normal speed, jewelry. Repeat after me.
Whoa, it's only 2 syllables, not 3? Jewelry. That feels so different to say.
It does, but it's correct. Now for word number 3, Eve's nemesis, library. Library. Normal speed, library. Your turn.
Okay, I have to consciously say that first R. Library. It's so easy to skip it.
It is. That's a classic case of sound deletion. On to number 4, mischievous. Mischievous. Normal speed, mischievous. Go ahead.
My brain always wants to add an extra I in there, like mischievous, but it's just 3 syllables.
You got it. Let's level up. Word number 5 is a big one. Nuclear. Nuclear. Normal speed, nuclear. Give it a shot.
Not nuclear. I hear that one all the time. Nuclear.
You do. It's a very common mix-up. Number 6, a travel word. Itinerary. Itinerary. Normal speed, itinerary. You know the drill.
That's another tricky one with lots of syllables. I-tin-a-rare-re. The rhythm helps.
It does. Now for word 7, a very useful one. Specifically. Specifically. Normal speed, specifically. Now you.
Not pacifically. That one is like nails on the chalkboard for me when I hear it.
I agree. Time for a sweet treat with word number 8. Sherbet. Sherbet. Normal speed, sherbet. Repeat.
Only 1 R. People always want to say sherbert.
They do. Let's get advanced. Word number 9 is from the ocean. Anemone. Anemone. Normal speed, anemone. Your turn.
Wow, anemone. It looks like it should be anemone, but that's not right at all.
It's a tongue twister. Finally, word number 10, a modern foodie favorite. Quinoa. Slow waddle, quinoa. Normal speed, quinoa. Go for it.
Quinoa. So different from how it's spelled. I can see why that trips people up.
Absolutely. Now for a quick pro-level drill, minimal pairs. This is where we contrast 2 similar sounds to really lock them in. Eve, repeat after me. Ship.
Ship.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Notice the short I sound versus the long E sound. Now let's try one from our list. Nuclear, unclear.
Nuclear, unclear. Hearing them side by side makes the clee sound so much more obvious.
That's the magic of minimal pairs. All right, are you ready for the final mastery quiz?
I was born ready, Jackson. Let's do it.
I'll say the common mistake, you give me the correct pronunciation. First up, espresso.
Espresso.
Mischievous.
Mischievous.
Sherbet.
Sherbet.
Perfect score! You and our listeners are officially pronunciation masters.
I feel so much more confident. It's amazing how just a little practice and focus can make such a big difference.
That's the goal. Thanks for tuning in to this episode. Practice these 10 words, and the next time you're ordering coffee or giving a presentation, you'll do it with total confidence. Until next time, keep learning.